town, where the speed slows down and life comes around. Grandpa's barn still stands up tall, with stories carved into every wall. I got dirt on my hands, sweat on my brow, ain't afraid of the work that's here and now. This is the life that built me strong, it's where my heart's belonged all along. With my boots on the ground and my head held high, chasing my dreams under an open sky. This small town road taught me how to stand, to fight for my faith and give a helping hand. Through the highs and lows, I'll always be found, with my roots deep down and my boots on the ground. Friday nights by the football lights, cheering loud, we were born to fight. Saturday mornings in a rusty truck, hitting the fields, just trying our luck. Mama's prayers kept me on my way, taught me how to live and never stray. And every scar I've earned out here is proof that love grows year by year. With my boots on the ground and my head held high, chasing my dreams under an open sky. This small town road taught me how to stand, fight for my faith and give a helping hand. Through the highs and lows, I'll always be found, with my roots deep down and my boots on the ground. It's not the money, it's not the fame, it's the legacy tied to my family name. Every sunrise brings a brand new day, and I'll walk this path the same old way. With my boots on the ground and my head held high, chasing my dreams under an open sky. This small town road taught me how to stand, fight for my faith and give a helping hand. Through the highs and lows, I'll always be found, with my roots deep down and my boots on the ground. So when my time comes, lay me down in the fields I love, with my boots on the ground. So when my time comes, lay me down in the fields I love, with my boots on the ground.
Up, down, Luke. You can get down. All right, folks. With this metal, on one end of the metal, the metal rolls down, and on the other end, it curls up. Okay. Now, what makes this a lot simpler if you can hang all the sheets where they both on one side roll down and then the other side roll up. Now, what I did here is I got confused and I put this piece and the next piece with the roll up instead of the roll down. Now, that's making it a lot harder for yourself, but it's still okay, but it's just easier if they are all the same way. From here on, I'll have them all the same way. But I just wanted to show you that just so, you know, it's kind of, it's pretty much common sense if you're hanging any kind of metal, you know. You ready? Hey guys, this is a new day. We're getting started. Um, we had, when we first got started, this will be the third day, but the first 2 days that we came, we didn't get here till 2 o'clock, so we worked from like 2 to 5 each day. And the first bit of panels that we did, we struggled with it because, show it, Michelle. This is one of those things. That if you're the type of person, you could either love this or you could hate this, depending on what you like. You know what I'm saying? It's just old and rustic, which is what we wanted, kind of like an old fish camp look or something like that. But initially, I was obsessed about getting everything perfectly straight, and that's not happening when you get a load of old tin like this. You can get it somewhat straight, but man, you got to just screw the stuff up and go with it. And then once we got started doing that and we figured it out, I figured out a method. What my method is what I would do is I would get on the end where I have to line it up. Like when I hang this next panel here, I'll get on this end and I'll tack this end, and then I can look down it to see whether it's straight or not. And I can have my son move it back and forth till I get it like I want it, and then tack it up. And then at that point, all I have to do is screw it off. It's a way easier now. But yeah, we're just we got this old batch of tin for like $100. You know what I'm saying? It would have cost me $700, $800 or $900, $800 probably to tin this whole thing if I would have bought it from like a sheet metal supplier. But I wouldn't have had all this patina. Come on, can you get up on the? There's no reason to hand it to me if you're not up on the thing. Let's see. What I might have to tack it and then come down there and mark that. There is a little cut right there. All right, hold it. Yeah, right. Oh no, it goes right past it. Okay, good. Oh. Okay. Yeah. All right, you can let go. Boy, you're right. You can see that water reflecting up on it. It's pretty cool looking. Let's see. Why are you wanting the action? I'm waiting for Stephen to get set up. I'm doing nothing but standing. Line this up. Here, hold it. Hold it. Let me get up. Hold it right there. Let me get up. It's hard for me to step up that high. All right. You ready? Put it up over your head. All right, you got to go in there and above the pipe. Right there, that's it, buddy. Is that all the way in? What's it hitting on that end down there? All right, take. Oh, wait a minute now. Hold on. Yeah, this is right. All right, come on to me. Holy cow. Okay, that's good right there. Hold still. Hold on. What? Yeah, I know. Steven, you got to move it back to your right a little bit. A little more. Whoa. Here, just, yeah, that's good. Hold on. Hold on right there. Hold it right there. I know. It's just so happened this end comes to me. Dang, I done about used all them screws. A lot of screws. All right, folks, this is another video wrapped up. I know I didn't give you probably as much as I should have, but nevertheless, I'm gonna turn you around and let you look at it. And again, this is something that you some people may like, some people may not. I like the old rugged look, especially on a boathouse like this. So I'm gonna turn you around and let you take a look at it. All right, this is it right here. The old boat's sitting in here now. We're down in the water. Look at that, I got a hole right there right now. I'm gonna do something to that. I didn't wanna, that's my motor. I have to be able to have access to it. But yeah, this is it right here. Just old rustic metal. Just like an old fish camp. Anyway, folks, that about wraps this video up. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for looking at Living Lifestyle Style. We love you guys, and we'll see you on the next one.